How to make money on YouTube without making videos in 2022. You may not be aware that it's possible to monetize YouTube without ever uploading a video, despite the fact that it's become a popular method of doing so. When you sign up for YouTube, you have an immediate access to a video library. The videos in this library are covered by the Creative Commons license. You are permitted to utilize these videos that other people have created for YouTube under this license. They are yours to use any way you want, and you can even profit from them. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the ways how you can make money from YouTube without making videos in 2022. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of this video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. A great technique to generate passive income and gain financial freedom is through YouTube. But it's not simple, and it takes a lot of work, especially in the early stages. Nevertheless, after everything is set up, it becomes a completely passive income, necessitating very little effort. Millennialmoney.com posted an article where it said, "Now that you have a channel in place, you're ready to start aggregating videos and publishing content. Publishing on YouTube is pretty straightforward. First, you need to make sure YouTube supports your file type. To do this, click Create a Video and either upload the file directly or drag and drop it from a source location. Videos can be either public or private. For your purposes, you will almost certainly want to set all videos to public." It further added, "Additionally, you need to set captions for SEO, add tags, and write succinct video description so people can find your content on the search engine. Don't forget about video thumbnails when you're uploading content. Think about the images that you want potential viewers to see when they're browsing YouTube. When you use an eye-catching thumbnail image, you increase the likelihood of attracting new viewers. Think of it this way. Suppose you have the option to pick one of two different sandwiches. One sandwich looks fresh and well put together, the other looks so-so. The vast majority of the time, people will go for the better-looking option. The same concept holds true with all things online marketing. It's also crucial to note that not all of your videos will be profitable. You'll probably discover that only 5% of your videos generate 95% of your revenue. The Google AdSense program is the main source of income for most YouTubers. Your YouTube channel must have 1,000 subscribers or more to qualify for this program. In addition, it needs to have logged 4,000 watch hours over the previous 12 months. It might be challenging for many of us to consistently create YouTube videos for a channel. That could be due to a variety of factors, including lack of resources such as time, tools, or skills. However, did you know that you may earn money on YouTube without uploading your own videos? You heard it correctly. Due to copyright constraints, it is against the law to utilize someone else's original work for your own gain. But there is a legal way to do this. First one is Creative Commons. YouTube offers the option for owners of original videos to permit the community to utilize their content without violating copyright. Those who created the original videos can add a Creative Commons license or CC BY to them, allowing others to lawfully remix and reuse them. You can begin monetizing a channel in less than a month without producing any videos. To do this, visit YouTube, enter your chosen keyword there, and then click the filter link that appears when all the videos have been displayed. You may find videos that are part of the Creative Commons category by selecting it from the Features menu. Click on any of the videos and scroll down to the description to view the Creative Commons Attributions license, or Reuse Allowed. Videos with Creative Commons license can be reused on YouTube, and you can even use Google AdSense to advertise such videos. The second method would be to use the Online Video Creator, which has a large section of themes, photos, and films from which to choose and customize. Some even let you add your voice to the videos. One such example is Wave Video. There are other video producers as well, such as Flixpress.com and Promo. Create high-quality marketing films quickly, and do much more by searching for more video producers and selecting the one that best appeals to you. The third approach is making compilation videos. This implies that you will search for videos that are similarly themed and totally free. Download the videos, combine them into one, then post the resulting video to YouTube, Vimeo, or even Instagram, IGTV. You can utilize YouTube Google advertisements to monetize such videos and gain new subscribers if the videos are entertaining or well-liked. You will require video compilation tools, such as Open Broadcaster Software or OBS Studio, OpenShot Video Editor, and others to put the videos together. The final technique I'll cover here is hiring a freelance professional video recorder to perform the recording for you. Numerous websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Guru.com, Freelancer.com, and many others have a lot of these freelancers. If you know how to make your videos go viral on the internet, you don't even need to record the videos yourself to make money from them. MillennialMoney.com also says, the easiest and most common way to make money on YouTube without making videos is to publish third-party content. For example, YouTube allows you to post video content from other video creators through a strategy known as aggregation. In other words, you curate content instead of publishing original clips. As such, it's no surprise that aggregated or curated content saves you a lot of time. It also helps to attract viewers that are interested in what you're sharing. Here is a manual that you can use right away to get started from scratch. 1. Find your niche. Determine the categories of YouTube videos that you prefer to view. For instance, I frequently watch top 10 videos, prank videos, and compilation videos. Why does that matter? Because this is where your goldmine will be. The majority of the channels that we are watching don't use their own material. To make money, some channels search for videos to re-upload. Ads and affiliate marketing are used to monetize their channels. It complies with fair use laws and is entirely lawful. A good example is Goalcast, a channel I frequently watch that compiles inspirational speakers' remarks in a variety of formats. Make use of your interest to improve the caliber of your material. 2. Create your channel. On your YouTube profile, start a new channel. You now need to build your brand to fit your specialty and appear professional. Create a banner, a profile photo, and a logo after that. Then include a few keywords into your bio parts that have received a lot of investigation. To view the statistics, utilize keywords everywhere or Ubersuggest. By doing this, you can prevent the platform from banning your channel or labeling it a robot. 3. Monetize your channel. Let's move on to your content now. Enter keywords relevant to your specialty in the YouTube search bar. Select Creative Commons from the filter menu, and then sort by the number of views. If a video's content is marked as being Creative Commons, you are free to use it as long as you make some adjustments without plagiarizing it. Compilations, rankings, controversies, pranks, and challenges frequently perform exceptionally well on this network. Once you have found the content you want to use, modify it as needed, and produce your own video. Use the keywords you initially chose for your study when you're through editing and add a thumbnail. Upload once every day up to 7 times for a month to see quick results. By using this technique, you ought to be able to monetize your channel quickly. 3. Optimize your videos. Understanding what makes you money on YouTube, which is based on your click-through rate and watch time, you will help ensure that your videos are set up for success. So here are many final recommendations for optimizing your video. Make catchy headings. Design thumbnails every time. Edit your videos. Storytell. List your videos under common license. And be consistent. The premise behind this technique, which is also known as curation, is the same as that of a house of medium publication. If you decide to try this method, remark on this channel you create or your development after a few months. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.